Here we have a Trane Xr13 unit at a Goodyear garage store. We just stopped by to this Taco Bell and I found this unit in the other side. Now it's running. Let's see, oh, here's the data panel. So 2010. The model number is 4TTR3048 D1008A and the serial number is 10111SH85F. Is from, I guess, November of 2010. It's a 4-ton unit. I don't know what kind of refrigerant to use. This looks like R for10A. That's the outdoor temperature. Got a catch off with the dryer. But there's a disconnect. It's switching off. Switch to on right now. But yeah, the fans moved to like faster. But yeah, that's it for now. It's kind of a little bit rattling right now, but yeah, according to that, it's caged up, so nobody will steal it. But this is a 2010 Trane Xr13 air conditioner. Wait, this is actually a heat pump? Yeah, this is a heat pump. It's a 13 seer unit, but that's it for now. 2010 Trane Xr13 heat pump, and it's a 410 unit that's running. Over and out.